Hello girls, today you're going to look at some extreme weather in the UK, so some flooding in Cumbria. You need to know the different causes and effects of floods and know what these are. So causes are things that make floods happen, and effects are things that happen because of the flood. So in these pictures you can see the flooding here. Some of the effects would be that the shops were closed. So these shops were all damaged, and these cars were broken. So first of all, we need to know where Cumbria is. Cumbria is a county in the UK. It is a region. Cumbria is right here up in the north west of England. If we have a little bit look closer, there's two towns that were flooded badly. We've got one called Workington on the left, and on the right the main one called Cockermouth. So it's in the northwest of England, and the town was called Cockermouth. There were some different causes of flooding. First of all, we had a massive downpour of rain. This means there was lots of rain coming down, making it easy to flood. It was already very wet. The ground was already full of water, like a sponge. And there are two rivers in the town. The more rivers there are, the more likely it is to flood. So those are your three main causes of flooding. Some of the social effects. These are things that affected people. So how did people get hurt or affected by it? So one person was killed, a policeman who was trying to stop people crossing a bridge. He got washed into the water. Many people got injured, so many people hurt themselves. Lots of homes were flooded, so there was damage to the homes. The river water got contaminated, which means there was lots of dirt and things in it, which made people ill. 1,300 people got affected, and the roads and bridges meant people couldn't get anywhere. Economic effects are things to do with money. What was the cost of things? So many businesses closed down. Shops were damaged and destroyed, so people lost their jobs and they closed down. Rocks and trees, which we call debris, destroyed bridges. The floods cost £100 million worth of damage. And finally, we've got some environmental effects. Landslides, so that's the rocks falling down, damaged the river banks, the sides of the river. The river carried away hundreds of trees, so lots of trees got destroyed, so nature was damaged. Those were our environmental effects. Feel free to watch it again and pause it when you need to, and there's a few questions to answer underneath. Good luck girls, try your best and don't worry too much if you make a mistake.